of SSC board. Today we will going to start with the next sum, that is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0 by using the completing square method. So how we need to do, just see. So now the first step we will going to write as it is. Okay. What is the next? Second step, that is term to be added. So what term we have to add? As I have discussed earlier lecture in my last video, half multiplied by coefficient of x, the whole square. Okay. So now we will going to start half. So where is the coefficient of x in this particular sum? Yes, exactly, it is here. So 2 is there. So we will going to write 2, the whole square. Okay. Then 2 will going to cancel. So what will be the answer? 1 the whole square is equals to 1. Am I clear this point? So now we will going to add and plus subtract it. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. As I have already discussed this step in my previous video, you need to follow that. If you haven't watched, please watch that first again and then you can watch this, because then only you will come to know. That is the basic part for solving square method, completing square method. Okay. So therefore x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 1 plus 5. So by sending this particular thing over on the right hand side, we are getting 1 plus 5. Am I clear this point? Now students, the next step will be x plus 1 is equals to this, we will going to add, that is we will going to get 6. Am I clear? Now therefore by taking the square root, okay, we are getting x plus 1 is equals to root of 6. Here you can write by taking out square root on both sides. Okay. So now the next step will be x plus 1 is equals to root 6 or x plus 1 is equals to minus root 6, as we have implied this particular sign. Okay. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 plus root 6 or x is equals to minus 1 minus root 6. So this is only our final answer. Okay. So here we have to write the given quadratic equation is minus 1 plus root 6 and minus 1 minus root 6. That's it. Students, this is the alternative method of that particular sum only. So both the methods are there. You can go through whichever it will feel that you would like to solve in this method, in the alternative method, or the method which I have shown you earlier. So it is advisable from my end that it is advisable for you all that to solve the previous method only, not the alternative, because it may happen many of the students may get confused in the alternative method. Okay, so we will going to solve now. First we will going to write x square plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. And then x square plus 2x plus k. K means it is a constant, is equals to x plus a the whole square. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus k is equals to, here when we will going to expand this particular formula, it will be x square plus 2xa plus a square. Okay. By comparing the coefficient we get so now 2 is equals to 2a, wherein a is equals to 2 upon 2, therefore a is equals to 1. Okay. Now k is equals to a square, therefore k is equals to, the value of a is what? 1. So 1 the whole square, therefore k is equals to 1. Okay. So as we have got k is equals to 1, now we will going to add and subtract. Add and subtract. Then the same procedure we will going to follow. X plus 1 the whole square is equals to 1 plus 5 by eliminating 0 and by sending 1 plus 5 on the right hand side. So what we are getting over here? Now x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 6. Therefore x plus 1 is equals to root of 6 by taking square root. Square root on both sides. Okay. So therefore x is equals to minus 1 plus root of 6. Here we need to write both the sign, which I have forgotten now. Now I have written. Or x is equals to 1, yes, minus 1 minus root of 6. Therefore, it is only the final answer. The given quadratic equation is minus 1 plus root of 6 and minus 1 minus root of 6. That's it.